Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, we're going to show you how to open folder automatically when USB device in inserted in Western PC or laptop. So as if you want to open folder automatically when USB devices and instead in Western PC or laptop. So very easy. First click on start. Now click on settings. After click on devices, click on autoplay, and after slash to on position, and selected open folder to view files, file explorer. Click on open folder to view file explorer. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open folder automatically when USB devices in instead in Western PC or laptop. So guys, very simple and easy and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.